Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to install marble floor skirting tiles. In this video, we will show you the entire process of installing skirting tiles to give your floor a clean and finished look. Marble flooring is a popular choice for homes and offices, as it adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. However, installing marble flooring is not complete without skirting tiles, which provide a finished look to your flooring. In this video, we will guide you on how to install skirting tiles like a pro. Before you start installing skirting tiles, you need to prepare the surface. Remove any debris, dust, or dirt from the floor, and ensure that it is clean and dry. Use a leveling compound to even out any uneven surfaces, and let it dry completely. Measure the length of the walls where you want to install skirting tiles. Cut the skirting tiles to size using a tile cutter or a tile saw. Be precise and careful while measuring and cutting, as even a small mistake can cause the tiles to fit poorly. Apply a generous amount of tile adhesive to the back of the skirting tiles using a notched trowel. Spread the adhesive evenly, covering the entire surface of the tile. Place the skirting tiles firmly against the wall, starting from the corner. Press the tiles firmly and adjust their position if needed. Use tile spacers to maintain an even gap between the tiles. Cut the tiles to size using a tile cutter or a tile saw, to fit them around obstacles like door frames, windows, and electrical outlets. Be careful while cutting, as the tiles are fragile and can break easily. After the adhesive has dried, remove the tile spacers and fill the gaps between the tiles with grout using a grout float. Wipe off any excess grout with a damp sponge, and let it dry completely. You have successfully installed skirting tiles to your marble flooring.